What's up, YouTube Foodiverse? As a kid, I grew up in the country. We always had a huge garden, and it began my love of fresh vegetables. This carried over into my adult life, cooking both professionally and at home, avoiding ultra-processed foods and cooking ingredients as much as possible, using fresh vegetables and simple ingredients to cook up healthy, wholesome, nutrient-dense foods for customers, friends, and family. Come drop a lurk over at Dudetalkinfood. Pick up some tips, tricks, recipes, and some food knowledge. Keep being awesome, y'all. Peace.